This is going to be a video product review of the Pacific Arc drafting triangle. This thing is a massive 12 inches, ladies. 12 inches of 30, 60, 90 degrees topaz. What the heck's this topaz all about? Professional drafting triangles made for architects and engineers. Nobody else should use that unless you're an architect or an engineer. Pacific Arc's drafting triangles will provide accurate lines and precise angles. These triangles are made from .080 inch thick and pure acrylic. The plain and strong edge is designed for long-lasting use. For so many uses, accurate 12-inch, non-graduated triangle is an accurate 12-inch long, 30, 60, 90. I keep repeating all this stuff. There we go. So there it is, Pacific Arc. No, they didn't sponsor me. I just bought this. I figured I was looking at my dad's drafting stuff, and he's got a 30, 60, 90, and I was using them for a while. And I just thought, let me buy something new. I still want to use some of the stuff that he had, but yeah, I just thought I'd buy something newer that was bigger, because this thing I think was a 6-inch. And ladies in drafting know that 6-inch is never going to cut it. It's just not going to do. You got to have a 12-incher on your 30, 60, 90 degree angle. This thing is humongous. Can I zoom back? Yeah, I can zoom back just a little. I mean, look at the thing. Look at this thing. It's well, it's 12 inches, so obviously it's going to be a little bit bigger than my 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. This thing's awesome, though. It's really nice. And why did I buy it? Because it's 12 inches and it's 30, 60, 90. So, 90, I guess 90. I got to go get a geometry book. 90 degrees would be, we all know that we have a circle, and your circle's 360, half of a circle is 180, a quarter of a circle is 40, no, that's wrong. A quarter of a circle is 90, 90, 180, 270, 360. So if you've got this line down here, and then you've got this line over here, you've got a 90 degree angle. Now, it's kind of confusing if you're not a math genius like I'm not, but it makes sense. This is a 60 degree angle, and I'm going to show you that in a minute because I want to get an 8-minute video so I can pump a lot of ads on it that nobody watches. And you go, well, if that's a 60 degree angle, how the heck is this a 30 degree angle? It's totally confusing to me. I agree. And so I'm going to show you if I can find a pen. I'm all prepared for making this video. So we're just going to try to do this freehand. We got a circle here. Oh my God, is that a terrible circle? So this is a 360 degrees because it's because the circle is 360 degrees. So let's say, for example, that that is a nightmare of a circle. And let's consider this a clock. So we have 12 o'clock, we have 3 o'clock, we have 1 o'clock, and we have 2 o'clock. Okay? Not perfect because I'm doing this freehand. So we've got 12, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to show you something they tried to teach me when I was in high school, and I said, I don't need this stuff to get through my life. I don't need any of this, and I didn't, and I have done very well. So let's get this angle over here. I want to show you this. This is amazing. I know everybody's learning this nowadays in like 1st and 2nd grade, but here we go. Check this out. Free hand. There we go. That's the 90 degrees I was telling you about. The 90, 180, 270, and 360. So this is our 90 degree. We turn it. How do we do this? I get so confused. What I should have done, so that I don't have to turn things around, because I don't want to confuse you. We got 3 o'clock. Let's do like a 4 o'clock and a 5 o'clock. We'll do a 7 o'clock, an 8 o'clock, a 10 o'clock, an 11 o'clock. All right, we got lots of clocks here. So let's assume that we're lining this up, but we're going to move this over. We're going to move this over. We're still going to keep this straight, but we're going to move this over 60 degrees. You see that? 60 degrees. So if I really wanted to do this right, I'd go boom, boom. That's the 60 degrees because you have, remember we were at 90, 30, 60, 90. So this, in this direction, is a 60-degree angle. This is your, oh my God, if Arc Pacific watches this video, they're going to go, please, just shut up. That's the 90-degree angle. And then, it's a miracle, it's amazing, but you turn it on its side. It's not really on its side, depending on what direction you're in. But we've got this flat thing over here. And let's put this over here. And, oh, wow, look at that. We got 30 degrees. We got 30 degrees. So you can see 30 degrees, 30 degrees. And if you turned it this way, you'd pretty much have the same thing. You'd have your 30, well, boy, was I way off. Your 30 degrees and your 30 degrees. And then if you set it up this way, you'd have your 60 and your 60. So this is not bad for freehand. I came out okay. So let's do, I don't know if I've hit my 8 minutes. I want to put like 9,000 ads on here. So let's do a circle now. A little better, not by much. And now I'm going to ruin this thing because I'm going to get markers all over it. Then I'm going to line this up on the bottom. And, oh boy, that's not even in the middle. This is embarrassing. And then we're going to go on the bottom of the page. No, we're not going to go on the bottom of the page. How do I do this? How do I want to do this? We'll go over, no, we can't do that. We're going to go over here. We're going to go to this edge now. And we're going to line this up. And now we're a little bit more in the middle of the, okay. And now what I want to do is I want to line it up on the bottom. I'll put it somewhere over here. I don't know. And we got this, and we got this. And then we'll turn this thing over, flat on the bottom again. And we've got this, and we've got this. You can see that I am definitely a draftsman, an architect, a genius. And then we're going to turn this flat over here. Flat. Oh boy, look at this clock. Oh my gosh. And we've got something like this. So you could have a lot of fun and you could teach yourself, you could be a geometry teacher if you buy this and get yourself a marker. In a couple hours you're going to say, I am a genius geometry teacher. And so we've got this and we've got this. And now instead of this embarrassment that I did here, we've used this amazing Pacific Arc drafting triangle 30, 60, 90 degree topaz. High quality topaz triangles. I have no idea what a topaz is. And we've got 12, 3, 6, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 2, 1. Yes, I'm amazing. I can count backwards. That is the Pacific Arc drafting triangle 12-inch. Check out the link in the video description. Let me see what they say online. Oh my God, I understand. Okay, now I understand. Is topaz the color? No, it comes in fluorescent orange. Oh my God, is that pretty. This one is clear. No, I don't, okay, this one is clear and it comes in, what's the difference between topaz and clear? I have no idea. Fluorescent orange is absolutely beautiful. What do they say? 12-inch, 30, 60, 90. They also sell 45 and 90 high-quality triangles, high visibility, comics, illustrations, art, crafts, school, office use, and making clocks. And what else do they say? And then they show some guy doing something on some drafting paper. The perfect gift. Yes, everybody's waiting for their topaz angle. High-quality acrylic. What does it say? I guess it comes in 8-inch, 6-inch, 4-inch, 16-inch. Different 45 and 90 and 30, 60, 90. And I just educated you how this, a miracle thing, is 90, 30, and 60. And that covers 4 years of college math. Thanks for watching.